Hi there, this is the breadboard and code for the docking station. Within here we have our Arduino board connected to the breadboard and everything else, including a 9-volt battery, a distance sensor, and a motor, all connected onto here. The coding reads that when the distance is greater than 7 inches, the motor will move forward, and if it is less than 7 inches, then it will go backwards. The way it is intended to work is that when it turns on, the robots will initially be below 7 inches, causing the motor to move backwards. That helps to indicate to the other robots that it is time for them to go and get the data needed. When it is greater than 7 inches, that tells the system here that the robots have then left the station and it will be collecting data to help with the input to send back to the user. When it is all done, all of that input is being collected in here as the drones come back to the station. Those drones are communicating and sending it via Bluetooth, which unfortunately is not accessible on Tinkercad. Eventually, those robots will come back within 7 inches, and the motor will go back to its original direction of being in the backwards motion. From there, it is sending all of that data back to the user. When it's all done and all of that information is sent back, the motor will stop. The distance sensor does not indicate any distance again until prompted again by the user. So it gets prompted again, it'll start back at 0 and indicate that it's below 7 inches, going back in that original direction, and again going back and forth. And it's just a repeat for as long as the user needs it to. That is how this breadboard and circuit and code all works for the docking station.